Everybody, welcome to room 3711 at the Regent Pudong in Shanghai. This is a Pearl View King Club executive room. I'm not sure if I've got that terminology right, actually. We've literally just arrived, and as I'm going around now, I'm literally going to turn on all the lights to create the right effect. So just come into the room, because it's pretty stunning. It's a big space. First thing is, we like big rooms. If you like big rooms, then this room is definitely going to tick that box for you. We'll come to the view in a minute, but big king-size bed. Look at the size of those pillows. Oh my God. See, you know, feels nice. Feels nice. I'm liking the green. That'll look really nice at night.
The lights are very different, aren't they?
They are. That'll look really nice at night when it goes dark. So let's just cover the things by the bed while I'm here. Plug points, you've got the local plug point there. There's no USB on this side of the bed. Let me quickly check the other side. And there is... Oh, there's actually USBs in the lamp, isn't there? There's a USB slot in the lamp.
Oh, yeah. So there is.
Yeah. So then you've got, right? Then we've got this. You've got a nice big chill out little couch, chaise longue. Couch, yeah. Nice little table, right? Don't forget that at the end of the bed. So for the curtains, I'll show you this and I'll come back to it in a minute. So you've got these big shutters. That come over.
Wow, they make a racket.
I know. They should be electric. Maybe they are electric. I've just not seen the button, you know. But obviously, you can pull them. That creates a bit of privacy. You can open up the. I assume they open. I'm just not sure where the control is for that, to be honest.
Is it by the bed? Normally is.
I'm not sure that it is, to be fair.
No, they're the lights. We'll come back to that.
Yeah, we'll come back to that. There must be a way to obviously to open up the sheer, unless no. Okay. Anyway, so then best to do big desk
Huge
actually,
desk.
huge desk. Yeah, nice light. Few plug points and audio visual stuff over there, which Joe Blogs on the Street would never use. So I mentioned we're in the Pearl View room, so that gets us access to the lounge, Regent Club, it's called, where you have breakfast 7 till 10:30, afternoon tea 2:30 to 4:30, and happy hour 5:30 to 7:30. All right, and happy hour means evening drinks and cocktails, which is something that we enjoy. All right. So rest assured, we will be literally jumping in the shower and going straight there literally in a minute. Right. So let's look at the view. Okay. And it's annoying me that...
Well, shall we do the bathroom first? We can always come back to that.
All right. Okay. Let's do the bathroom. So over here, just quickly on this side, we've got a big TV. Right. Which is good. And you've got your safe here. Which is that. And then you've got a big space for luggage here in the big, so this is the open area vestibule here. Big space for luggage. You can see all the stuff we brought. I mean, the Globe guys never travel light. Globe guys never travel light.
I've been on a cruise, to be fair.
That's true. That's true. And that leads us into the bathroom, which is pretty stunning, actually. I like it. Liking the lights again. Oh, that's real as well. That's nice. That's a nice little touch in the bathroom. I like that. So yeah, so lighting's good, foliage good. You've got some body lotion, stuff like that there. A couple of bottles of complimentary water, plug point there. Obviously you've got the bath that you can see clearly here. You get some bath salts and a bit of soap there. All right, and then you've got in this one, that's a toilet. So you're actually seeing this live, guys. We've literally just arrived, so you're seeing this as I'm seeing it. So that's the toilet. It's not a Japanese one though, is it?
No, it's not.
And then we've got a big shower area. All right, standard stuff, rain shower, extra head, toiletries. So we've got conditioner, you've got body wash and shampoo. I'm not familiar with the brand, but we'll assume that it's pretty good given the scale of the hotel. So yeah, so that's the bathroom. And here we have the mini bar. And another extra feature that we've got as well is we've got complimentary first round of drinks in the mini bar. This is how they explained it to us. But obviously you've got teas, coffees and stuff like that. They're complimentary. And then in here, the way we've understood it is basically everything that's in here we can drink and it's complimentary, but they just won't replace it for free. So if they do replace anything, we'll then be charged. So what we've got in there is soft drinks, basically Sprite, Coke, and tonic water, a couple of bottles of water, juice, and a Snickers. Oh, you've got a bottle of wine as well, and that's part of we get that as well, which is pretty cool actually. All right, and then if you like your tea and stuff like that, I mean, you know, and I will be using that at some point. So yeah, pretty good. Liking it. So the final thing to show you in the room is the view. All right, and we've now figured out how to use the shear. So check this. How does a view from a hotel room get much better than that? Oh my gosh. Ah, look at it. And that, I mean, that's going to look even more impressive as at night. I mean, it looks impressive now just as the lights are coming on, but imagine what it's going to look like about an hour's time when it's dark. It's going to be stunning. Absolutely stunning. If you come to Shanghai, when you think of Shanghai, you think of that, don't you? You think of the ball, right? That is the view that's the thing that people think about. Boom, right there. You know, if you're looking for a hotel with a view, you found it. The Regent Hotel, Pudong in Shanghai. That is a pearl view room. Well, now, as we always do, I'm going to show you around the rest of the hotel.